This is a 1971 Triumph T120, which is a 650 Bonneville. That's what the frame is on the bike. The engine is a TR6. That's a 650 Triumph. So that's a 1971 as well. So it's a 1971 bike, just not matching numbers. It's a tidy bike, got a Cobra seat. Don't particularly like that myself. Makes the bike a bit high for me. I've started it and rode it around. Brakes work, clutch, gears, clocks work, and it's a good looking bike. I'll start it up, shall I? Like you saw then, a little bit of oil dripping out the head. It might tighten down, it might not. It's got 3,800 miles on the clock. Take it as you will. Nice bike anyway, regardless to it not being matching numbers. It's just a tidy machine. So if you fancy getting that on the road, check it out on eBay.